Hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we have a Sargent Assa Abloy Mortice cylinder. It's a challenge lock, 6 pins, pinned by steel Pinnings, and sent to me by John from Apache Lock Sport. So there's the key with the bitting, quite nice. And all works. It's only turning that far at the moment because the tailpiece is getting caught on the vise, but that should be enough to open it. All works nicely. So let's give this a go, see if we can get into it and have a look inside. So we'll just work our way through. I have had a little play with this, and very light tension, and I found the problem is anything other than light tension and the pins lock up, but because the tension is so light it's extremely easy to overset pins, so it's just very gentle on everything all the way through. And see how it goes. So we've had a couple of little clicks. Right, we're on 6 there, and just got a slight movement on the core. So back to the front, and there's 1, click on 1, 2, we're getting counter rotation, so nice and gentle, that's clicked in. And more counter rotation, another click. It's only very slight counter rotation. Now we're on 3 and the same again. I'm not sure if you can even see that on the camera. Oh, that was me slipping. 4, and we're open. Now, like I say, I have had a little bit of a practice with this. I didn't expect it to open that quickly, but I think that was just down to the very light tension and very light touch. Well, let's get this cracked open and have a look inside. Like I say, I have had quite a few goes on this and not got into it. So screws on the back, and a follower. Where's my follower? There. That's the right size. Pins are there. And there we go. So get that to focus. Come on. I see a little bit of messing around with that, but we'll have a look after we got the pins out. So there's all the pins, all working. So 1 is heavily serrated, as is 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. Just arrange those. Excuse the phone. So when we get a close-up of these, you can see why things were jamming up if we put too much tension on it. So let's have a look upstairs. Oh, that was a very nice sharp serration on that. Oh, and look at this one. Now that is what you call a serrated pin. Oh, hang on, and it's in two pieces as well. Make it even worse. And three. Let's get these springs out, get them in order just in case. So there's one, two, and three. And then we've got number 6. Five. Very sharp serrations again. And a different spring. And right, I saw how this came out. That was a stack of wafers all on get those reassembled in a minute. So there we go. Let's drop that one off there. Let's get a close-up of these. Oh. As you can see, very nice pins. And like I said, you can see with all those serrations and cuts in them why the core was locking up so much when I was first trying. Now let's have a quick look. I can't see anything in there apart from just this little cut on there. So let's just feel. Nope, nothing in there. And let's just check. And no threading in there. And probably a good job there wasn't any. Otherwise that would have been far harder. But anyway, gorgeous pins, lovely lock. Thanks for pinning it up like that, Steel Pinnings, and thanks to John for sending it to me. And thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.